Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be doing a super fast video. It's pretty spontaneous. I needed to make a cup for a family member I'm going to see later today. We're going to be turning it from this into this without using a rotary attachment, and we're going to be using that curved engraving feature that I've showed on a previous video on the F1 Ultra here. So this is truly a spontaneous video. Doing it all really quick here for you. I figured maybe you guys would actually like to see this, that you don't need a rotary attachment with this. As long as you're going to be doing a section about this big, you'll be perfectly fine without a rotary attachment. If you're going to be going all the way around, obviously you're going to want to get a rotary attachment. So if you haven't watched the long form video of the curved engraving feature of the F1 Ultra, go ahead and watch that video as well if you want to see all the in-depths of how to. I'm going to include putting the cup in here, doing that feature where it actually measures out the dots of the curve, and then it's going to engrave this. That's going to be the rest of this video. If you want to stick around to see it actually engrave, how quick it is, how it engraves around the curve. It's a unique structure, the way that it actually engraves. So that's pretty cool as well. And then I'll show you a close-up of this at the very end here. But with all that said, if you guys have questions, like always, let me know down in the comments below. Let's get into engraving this, and we'll see you guys in the next one.